What's up guys? We have the E36 warming up. I'm going to go and do a few Touge runs. It's raining outside, so should be fun, or I'm going to crash. Either way, enjoy. Okay, so first stop is going to be the gas station, just to make sure we're not going to be out of gas in the middle of fucking nowhere. She's looking mean. Just made it a little bit softer on the back, so should be better to be drifted. Okay, so we got gas. Now let's hit the Touge. I don't have my head strap with me. I'm going to try and position the camera somewhere inside the car. I'm going to put the lights on. Hope you're actually going to be able to see something.
Tiptoe about to do a homicide, cranking up the ride, finna go out on the east side. First I roll a blunt so rappers like us can get high off the split. So when we get the cap, we won't have no pity when we kill. Roll up on the set, real slow with the lights out. Then I see my enemies on the cabin with the sawed off. Buster standing on the corner sipping on some Alizé. That's where I got to take the in the clip and then commence the spray. Jump back in the shit, burn rough as I left the scene. From last night to killing to Tommy right, just ain't no thing. Falling downfield, headed to a CTO. Find me and get away. Pack my bags and lay low. Go and pop the trunk and put the pump in the plastic bag. Buried in the yard of the house that my father had. Now these suckers fearing me with rumors lurking on the street that I shot another, left his body like a refugee. Yellow tape, chalk bodies, blood on the concrete. I'm go to jail now, what a little step to me. We was lounging in the steamer at a light, laid back, couple of men tried to jack, so we had to peel some caps. I popped one in the leg, sliced the other with a knife. I don't care about spirits haunting me, I still be smoking blunt stick. The other robber grabbed tiptoe, tossed them out the car. They got us stuck between trucks, they done went too damn far. He grabbed tiptoe by the head, put the pistol to his face. I act like I ain't give a damn. Stood still in one place, then I pointed the bird. He pointed heels and told me drop the gun. That's when he messed up tiptoe, broke on his ass and started to run. Now your ass free, I'm gon' cap this fool now, not later. Run over his ass in the steamer turns trick. Me Jamaica, me Jamaica, me Jamaica, me Jamaica, me Jamaica. Man up a black haven killer. I'm pimping and peeling these women that need the stitches. This salad and I cause I'm dealing. I'm making my money fast, shaking these suckers like one of blaze. I'm hot to the pimping gang and no thing. I'm a killer, man. I'm constantly killing and serving the time for punishment.
I don't really know what you're going to be able to see, but yeah, there is a lot of traffic. The car is overheating a little bit, but overall, yeah, quite fun. So I don't really plan on staying out long. There are a lot of cops actually. So yeah, I'm going to do a quick downhill run and yeah, I might go home. There is lots of things that needs to be done to the car. I need to take off the intake manifold again, remove some piping, remove the AC, remove some other shit, and yeah.
Don't let me like it to slipping up quickly to stop the killing. Shot in the hill up a beat, it's just one more trick to get shot or quit. So go plan a funeral. I creep in your house, hit your mother, and then I let her. Yeah, player, I got the man up a killer. Me Jamaica, me Jamaica, me Jamaica, me Jamaica. Tippy toe, are you with the gate? So, what's to the ground, take it down, now you feeling assed out. Tough look, prep ass nigga going against a real pimp. Grab my shoe with a grill, bust you in your bottom lip. Jump in the earth, come back down,
Drop key to your skull, put your ass in server pain. Killer like me ain't got no love. Put you in a body bag, have your funky body drag down to the riverside. Nigga like me ain't born no height. Quick to jump and trip you up. Think fast when I blast. Run to the back of the room and I assumed that I was here to take your cash. Nevertheless, I kill a trick. When I click insane quick, lock, took your knot. Get your knees dirty for the shot. Choke, cause you know, yeah, it's jammed in the back of your throat. Calling on my clout, run them out. Gotta count my cheese, skanks, get them dirty. Yeah, I'm talking about your lyrics. Lead for your busters from my 38 caliber. Hit list, think quick, scratch them off my calendar. Cuz take a buzz from a bullet to your temple. You think you take out a real player? Try your luck, nigga.
So we are back in the garage. Yeah, there was too much traffic. It's too early actually, so yeah, that's kind of normal. It's the first day that I'm not at work and it's raining outside and my car is running. So I just wanted to, yeah, have fun and fool around a little bit. I miss drifting in the rain. That's where I started. That's what I love doing because it's fluid and it's pretty. There, it's pretty. So yeah, stay around. I'm gonna post a few videos in the next week, maybe working on the car again. Then I'm going to be going to Varna. I have a job interview. I'll be switching there. And yeah, one more thing that I started doing, I started going to the stunt academy of New Bujana Films. So might become a stunt driver, might not, we'll see. Okay, thank you for watching guys. Like, share, subscribe and have a good one.